daw niya na English only.
Di ba guys, yun yung gusto nyo?
Yes,
One-
Mayor, we want
1 hour
we want to
English
visit
channel.
again
1 hour lang
Laguna.
naman.
It's so very, very nice festival.
Chris, saan sa katang ano ko
The
ha?
people there are
Ng
so
puso
ko.
charming.
I'm not
and
feeling
they're so
well.
Yeah. Ang sarap
Biglang-
ng
I'm not feeling well,
Yan.
Chris. I'm on my second day of period.
Yeah.
Mama, help.
Hi, Eva.
Ay, no. You
Where
speak
did you buy the
English.
croissant?
Yeah, Eva Levanderas, you message me in my messenger or my, yes.
Yes.
I chat you later.
They order our app.
Oh,
So
they
you
order
message
our
me messenger. My goodness, Chris. It's nice. I think I will stop na my live.
Oh my, can we stop this already?
I
This
think you
live?
guys sound good. You
No.
sound good.
I think I want to stop
Oh my
the live.
No,
Yeah.
keep
Because-
it going.
We don't need to...
They don't
use
need to
the,
hear
ano,
this. Guys, you don't need to hear this.
They love it. Look,
This
they
is
love it.
something
I'm
private.
praying.
We want this something private.
Isa tayo, Mayor, ha?
Chris
Mag-iingat
Lawrence.
ka lagi,
You sound,
Mayor.
I think you
Yes,
sound
I-
amazing.
I,
Amazing.
mate?
Oh my God. Did I? Am I?
Napakabait ng Mayor ng Laguna.
Oh my
Sound
God.
fabulous.
Oh my God.
Where did you buy the croissant? It's across the
No,
street?
it's not croissant. It's
It's
croissant.
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 Croissant?
Quoi?
Quoi?
Croissant.
Ah, croissant.
Croissant.
Bonjour.
Oh my God.
Bonjour.
Bonjour mo siya?
Bonjour mo
Merci.
siya?
Merci.
Panganay mo siya.
Merci.
Bonjour mo siya.
Gracias.
Ayan.
Gracias.
Gracias. Ay,
Espanyol naman.
si Marcel. Kung ano sabi mo, no, walang
No,
kakuroso.
Japanese. No Japanese.
Squash.
Don't
Ah,
speak.
squash.
Squash.
Ah,
No,
okay,
don't
wakatsa.
speak Japanese.
She is able to
We
speak
will-
English, so that's why she speaks Japanese.
Chris Lawrence has... Oh, siya.
So loud, Mama Dong. Can you please
Guys, please help me.
lower your
get-
voice, please?
Chris Lawrence wants
Dong,
us
can you mute
speak English
My gosh,
only.
guys, you know what? I think I want
We
to
will
make
speak
this
English only.
session
Stop.
private because we don't want you to hear us.
I think they want to hear.
Ah,
We shout
Oh, look,
out.
12.5.
oh my gosh, I think I need a drink. Yeah.
I thought you need
To-
tissue.
No, not that drink.
Oh, what kind of
To
drink?
make it smooth.
Okay, I will
My
order.
tongue.
So you want to order mojito now?
Later.
Ella, it's
I think this is too early for mojito.
That's the...
So
Yeah.
that the English will be
Red
ano,
or-
more.
them
Red
to
horse.
speak English, no
I might
Tagalog.
kick you because Red Horse says
Don't kick me
it's so
naman.
ang tama, right?
So, ang tama.
It's so ang
Yes.
tama.
He
Yeah,
will.
I might kick you
Natama is so hard.
on the face, on your face.
We will rock you.
Ay,
Ayan to, no?
Ay,
Stop.
Oh, what's that you're talking about?
hey, guys,
Oh,
come
sorry,
here. Hey,
Tagalog.
Mama Dong, hey,
I
this
call
is,
It's
you.
a punishment.
I call you.
this
when
is,
you
guys, I would like
Tagalog.
you to meet. This is Domeng. This
Hello.
is Douglas. And
I-
here we have
This is sweet.
Dodong.
I put in my coffee.
Yeah,
My God, we will English.
that's their new
Tayo.
name.
If there's three
The English
Ds,
is-
there's
Yeah.
also
3D.
3D.
Yeah.
My goodness.
to go to the bathroom.
You need to,
hours.
I
think see you in the farm.
think I want to rest because it's my second day of period and
Hi,
I'm not
Maggie.
really feeling well
Yeah.
today.
Yeah.
Oh, but we're going to the Palenque.
Want us to
You're
English.
going to the palengke.
speak English
Only.
also in Palengke.
Oh, si Ate Cloud din. Nakayun.
Wow.
We will
Oh,
go
yeah.
market.
Oh
yeah.
yeah.
buy
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Going to the market after
What will
this
you say
and
if you're going to buy kangkong or ingredients?
I would like to have some kangkong. How much does it cost?
No.
Would you
Can I
mind?
buy one
Would you
can?
mind to tell me how much is the
Can I
bundle
buy
of
one
kangkong?
can?
Finish your croissant and then we're going na.
Diba?
80 is in swimming.
Hey ate, I would like to buy kangkong. How much is the bundle?
Wow.
May bundle na.
Yeah, bundle.
Ay,
You know.
Yes.
It seems you have a good sleep, ah. That's why you speak more
I
English.
Oh
wish
my
I
gosh,
was
I
there.
I couldn't sleep last night. I woke up at like I slept at 9 p.m. and then I woke up at 11 and then Mr. B went to my room.
Oh my God.
And
Ay, Mr.
he
B
gave
went
me, no,
the
he just
room.
gave me NyQuil. So I
gave her
can't
something to
sleep. Yeah, because someone, well,
Farted.
I don't know. Nothing. It's okay. I just sleep after
No,
that.
someone
Hey,
farted.
guys, you hear,
Someone farted.
You hear what
Yeah.
Last night.
Yes.
Mr. B last night.
That's why I
go to
couldn't
the
sleep.
room of
Someone
Miss
farted.
B.
Who was that?
I think
Yeah.
that girl. She was beside me, keep on laughing, and then
Farted?
farted. Yeah.
Farted.
Yeah.
Farted
You know what's
means-
farted?
Yeah. The one you there and the other one there. There's farted.
Yeah. You know when?
No?
Yes.
Farted.
What a bright girl.
Oh,
Yes.
And if there's a lot of music danceable, that's partying. You dance, that's party.
Party ding.
Yeah, partying.
Yes.
The
So
English
that's
is
why
so very
I
nice.
couldn't sleep last night.
See? O, di ba?
Yes, simply Mitch. I've been in Japan.
There's a lot of vocabulary that you can hear.
Yeah,
Mama
but my
Dodong.
English is just
1998 to 2000.
help.
Pass.
Mr. B is so handsome. Yeah.
Pass.
We will chat.
Yeah. It's
Delilah.
little bit. Bitsy.
A little bit of
A little bit.
Monica.
Yes.
You hold the beat. You hold the beat. See?
Yeah, Mr. B went to my room because I think he saw my my post that I
Love,
couldn't
yes,
sleep.
I'm
Someone is
alone.
thinking of me and someone by my side just farted. Oh my gosh.
Beat. Hi, Lie.
Yeah, and then he
Oh,
went to my
Jaja.
room and he gave me
Hi,
NyQuil.
To all the Peculian family.
That's all. I slept
So she
after
can
that.
Don't speak Tagalog ah.
You see, you hear that, Mommy Cans. Mrs. B told, Miss B told Mr. B,
I think I don't-
go to the room.
I'll
last
try.
night.
Then,
The croissant. I'm gonna try the
Croissant.
They
croissant.
eat croissant.
All right. So.
AJ, gusto niyo?
You hear the
Ikaw?
you hear right?
Oh, the croissant is fantastic.
Yes. It's fantastic.
Yeah, of course. It's-
Fantastic.
I like
Wanna
it.
try?
Woo. Fantastic,
Yeah,
baby.
it's so crusty. The crusty is so good. It's
I
so
wanna
perfect.
dance.
The way they bake it, oh my god.
I just
I
a
saw
little.
love.
Wow, look at that. Look at the texture of that.
Look at the texture. It's so flaky.
Oh my, God, the
gosh.
croissant is so very nice.
Yeah. This is so much. I think I love it. Hmm? Hey, don't put your...
I'm sorry.
Because the sand might
Oh,
fall
oh,
here
you're
in the
right.
croissant.
I am so sorry. Would
Yeah.
you guys like some fantastic croissant?
Would you like croissant?
I'd like,
Would you
yes.
call him?
Fergs.
Hey.
Hands
So
up.
how's the croissant?
Very nice.
Can you speak English?
How
Very-
nice it is.
What?
I
It's delicious and very nice. I like it.
It melts in your mouth.
Yeah, it's so flaky. I love the buttery taste and the flakiness. It's so perfect.
I think I ate some
That's
sand.
that's Mr. Beast want us to English only.
Yeah.
Policy.
Because the English
We
only.
English the policy is English only. No Tagalog.
But I think
No. I know.
Nihongo.
Japan. Nihongo.
I think we're gonna sleep so
Japanese.
early because our brain is so
It's empty.
functioning right now.
But it's okay
Our
because
brain
we
is
have
not
coffee.
raining.
We
This is
have
not coffee. This
What
is
it?
chai.
Not coffee.
Mine's coffee.
And
This
aside
is
from
masala
coffee,
chai. You know what's masala chai?
Chris, strike two. You said
They
goose.
they sala the chai so you can drink it so smoothly.
Ako pa yung may strike.
So how was it?
It's so smooth.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it?
Because they sala the masala chai.
Oh.
They
How about the
sala.
skin of Mama Dog? It's smooth.
Guys, do you know this masala chai?
it's flaky.
Yes, this drink. Who knows this?
It's so.
Who knows this? They sala the masala chai so you can drink it smoothly.
Hi, Goo.
Yeah.
How are
Cheers.
you? Yes. They're making. Oh my God, what's the English that?
Naging
They
charades.
make it.
Like that. Not only.
Oh, alam ko yan. I know what
Yeah,
that is.
what's that?
That's giddy.
What?
Giddy.
What's giddy?
Giddy.
What's giddy?
Giddy.
Is it? It's not giggle.
It's no giggle is like this. Giddy is the
Giddy.
Mama Dong, it's
They're
giddy.
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 Yeah, they're giddy.
They're giddy.
Yes, it's limited to the ID.
Of course, our English is only limited, so
Can
don't
you send us
expect too much,
English?
guys.
Guys, can you send us
Because
dictionary?
More English.
there's no stored words on my brain.
But unfortunately,
A little bit only.
everyone knows
But
that
for Mr.
I
B,
really
we will
believe
do it.
I
Diba?
don't know.
Yeah,
Right?
Ano sa?
the
What do you
children
want to
is
say?
our future now.
What are you
Teach them well,
Mama
and
Dong, what
then
are
we
you
will teach them well.
Hey, can you please stop?
Yeah.
You lower your voice.
Stop, look, and listen.
People are looking at us, Mama Dong, because of
goodness.
your voice so loud. My gosh.
It's so...
I'm fed up.
Oh my God, Mama Dong, security is coming.
security is coming.
Yes.
Oh, guys, you
I
better
think
go
that will
there.
get you and show you the
You
ocean.
better go there.
Hi guys. Are you guys enjoying?
No.
Are you guys having a good time
No.
there?
No, please. I can't be myself. I want to be myself. I don't want to speak Tagalog. I'm a Filipino.
You have 45 minutes on the challenge.
I am a Filipino.
How many minutes?
I
45
am a
minutes
Filipino.
Mama
na
Dong,
lang.
Yeah.
we are a Filipino. We want to speak Tagalog.
But, oh my God, that's basic speaking English.
Oh my
Only
God.
45 minutes? Why don't you?
Make it.
That's why we will sleep whole day.
And then, I'm fed up.
Palengke challenge na.
Oh, so we're going to Palenque. We still have 2 croissants.
Let's ask if the market is open.
Oh, we don't,
Oh, yeah,
I think we
that's
don't know,
a
but
good
Let's ask first.
we need to check.
Yes.
We're gonna check if the market is open. But where's Iwa?
Where's Kuya?
The market is...
The
not
market is
marketing.
floating.
Yes.
The market,
Not marketing.
guys.
Because this is...
Do you know that if the market is open, or Mama Dong said the market is marketing now?
Not marketing today.
I'm not-
I think it's gonna be a good challenge. Palengke,
Better.
and you have to order in English.
Why? Why
Right,
do you
guys?
have to order? Why don't you order for us?
Because we're still in the English only challenge, so we should go to the Palengke so we can order in
And let's
English.
Yeah.
That's a great idea.
Whatever.
But I think it's Friday. The market
If
is
there's no
not marketing
market, let's go to supermarket, the grocery.
today. It's not marketing today. It's Friday. And
Let's
it's
go.
Black Friday. No, not Black. Blue Friday.
Oh,
you're wearing blue together. So it's Blue Friday.
It's Good Friday, Mama.
Hey, thank you so much, guys. We love you.
We will make Jowa challenge.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, we will.
Oh, with the,
With me and with him.
I will Jowa challenge with you.
sorry, I just
Guys,
burped.
I will go Jowa
Excuse me,
challenge.
there's no other
with-
outlet.
Yes.
Look. Ay, oh my God, Mama Dong.
Let's Kuya, you ask Kuya if the market is open.
We're there.
We're
there.
We're there.
We're there.
Kuya,
Kuya.
is the market marketing today or no? Because it's Friday, holiday.
The market is
The market,
open.
the market is
let's
marketing
see.
today.
No,
It's not
they're
marketing.
asking if the market is open.
Because it's Friday, no marketing, right?
Oh,
Oh,
they
there's
Where?
open.
Really, have?
Town?
really have.
In town. Let's
Really
go.
I
have?
doubt. I doubt.
You doubt.
But we will.
You better
we will
stay there,
go
Dodo.
You better stay here and take care of
Because we
baby.
just started English
We will
only,
go there.
ano.
Only
Let's
the
go.
free and don't
Ano? Don't say ano.
Yeah, what's ano?
What?
Ano? I said it's unknown.
Ano?
Unknown.
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 You,
Not
you
ano.
hearing not good.
Yeah, your hearing is not good. I just said
hearing not
unknown.
Unknown.
Yeah.
You better hearing aid your ear.
Hey,
You better aid your ear.
Mama Dong.
They are so noisy. I will list down the noisy.
Wait, 50.
Is the market
15.2.
marketing today, Mama Dong?
I don't
Yes,
think
the
so.
market is marketing today.
We
Yes.
will go there.
We will go to the market
Kuya Ian
today.
said it's
Yes, what?
open.
Oo nga eh.
We're gonna buy
Love you,
some
baby.
stuff because we're gonna have poodle fight later.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna prepare some food for us. because we're not senoritas.
Ganyan-ganyan ni mama doon.
Doon ka manggagaling sa ilalim ng pit. You go there in the sun.
Where's Katie?
Okay guys, I think
Let's go.
my brain is
Shall
low
we?
back. I think I'll see you later or I don't know, maybe tomorrow if the English only turn off.
Yes.
See? Because,
I think she sounds good. Diba guys?
yeah, she sounds good, but
She's prepared.
She's prepared.
I'm not.
She's
my
prepared.
gosh. What are you guys trying to say?
oh my God.
I don't want to speak English. I am a Filipino. I'm proud Pinoy.
Yeah, because we will
But English
rock
is
you.
our second language.
But I am a pure Pinoy. Pinay.
Yeah, because oh my
Dodong
God.
is pure Pinoy and you are pure Pinay.
That's why I love Pinoy.
Yes, that's the
Because
other
when you're a
day.
Filipino, you're Pinoy. You love
We used to
Pinoy.
eat Pinoy.
Yeah.
You eat the other day the panoy in Marimay. We eat that.
What do you love the most are of this trip?
Mr. B,
Ken,
what do you love the most about this trip?
Say hi, Yan Yan.
Hello everyone.
Christina.
How's your day today? It's
Wait,
Good
is that
Friday,
Christina?
guys.
The day today is
Christina.
it's so beautiful in the beach.
Yeah. Where is love?
Thank you so much, Luisa Roberts.
I'm sorry, Mary Joy Arias. I don't
What was the
understand.
idea?
You're typing
Oh,
Tagalog.
it's Tagalog.
And
This is a...
But
This
this
is-
is may challenge.
no, you need to
If-
type English.
No, because if we're
I
in a...
don't understand
If we're in a
you.
challenge, then you guys are kasama in the challenge
Of
also.
course, don't
Kiss na lang sila sa
speak
sikat.
Tagalog.
Yes.
You two also sakit brain. Not only me.
Not only me, not
Not
us.
us. You guys.
You're part of
join.
the family. So
You are part of the family.
Come on, guys.
Let's help each other.
We're sama-sama tayo.
Yeah, you
Sama-sama
ask
tayo.
ChatGPT and you type. Just copy paste what you want to say. What about us? Who commented? Do we speak? Of course.
Yes, you guys too.
You guys too.
We're all together in this. Okay?
You know, guys, I am squeezing my brain right now. I cannot take this
How are you
anymore.
squeezing?
How do you squeeze?
Squeezing like
push the
a
limit.
clothes with super
With water?
and I'm super squishing the water.
So you
And my
my
brain,
brain
is
is just
so, I have migraine on. I really need
look like
medicine.
high school.
My brain is not braining.
My brain is not functioning.
My brain is not brainy.
Both of them are high school.
High schooling.
Yeah.
But you have kuliling.
Yeah. I'm tililing.
You have
Pilaling.
sililing.
So much Maritachi.
I think we need to.
Yes, why?
I think we need to
Where
cover.
Ay, that's my
Chris,
mark.
where's
Yeah.
my brother?
Your brother is over there.
Can you ask him
And-
where's he?
Oh, let's show them what our breakfast was. Our breakfast was
Sour
the
soup.
sour sop.
Sour
We
sauce.
have sour sop for breakfast.
Hey, Chris.
Hey,
Someone there. Read it.
Chris is doing Taglish comments
Yeah.
sometimes. Though.
Yeah.
You don't do
I'm
that
sorry.
to us.
We
With
punish
us.
you.
You punish
We spunk you. That's bad. This is your content. I don't like this.
Okay, guys, English
Yeah.
only.
They're reminishing the remanishable past.
Sabihin mo later.
What did you say? This
Later.
is great interaction with the viewers. And the concept was speaking English only.
Oh, see?
You ask them kung
But
okay lang sa
It was your idea. We just executed it. So thank you guys.
Kasama.
18K viewers.
That's Kuya Ian.
What's up?
That's
no,
Kuya
guys,
Ian.
this is
Kasi
not
nasa-
funny. This
So cute
is
ni Miss
not
Kat. So funny. Ha 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 ha.
Don't worry.
fabulous.
Katie is with Kuya
I don't
Ian.
like this anymore.
Katrina's with-
I think she likes it.
I cannot take this anymore.
I think
No
she likes
worries,
it.
guys.
But not the whole day.
It's great practice for you.
Whatever. Hello.
Love is sweeter the
I'm not
second
going to
time
the
around.
US.
Yes.
Why are you like
Stop.
so like sungit?
Cause
Are you being sungit?
of course.
Oh, you know why? Because it's her second day. That's why.
They
And
love.
Ayan.
I'll come back later.
I
Thank you.
want
Thank you so much.
Salamat.
Enjoy your vacation.
Enjoy your vacation.
Sige.
She's over there. She's having fun swimming under the sun.
Hi guys.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Enjoy your vacation po, Mami.
Sure.
Sure. Ano, AJ? AJ? AJ?
Oh, but you have to. It's only English for.
Yeah,
you
we don't talk Tagalog,
pictured them.
ate.
So
We speak
pictured them.
English.
let's
You picture them, all of them.
come on guys. Let's go.
Of course.
Very nice place.
What, ate? So, I'm so sorry, but you need to speak English, ha?
We have challenge ate
Yeah,
now
We
with
have
Tagalog.
challenge. Yeah, okay.
Come and visit us in Bukidnon.
Of course, why not?
Okay, the
Talk
press.
na. Let's go.
Anybody else?
Okay.
But we're going to the market, kuya. Can you
1, 2, ready,
sabay
sing.
Katie?
Happy birthday.
Can you talk to him?
Yes,
A lot more conversation.
1, 2, 3.
Very nice.
Thank you po. Ay, kuya, bring Katie. We need to go to the market.
From Hong Kong.
Kuya.
Hi.
What do you want me to do?
Ay, not listening.
Ay!
Ay. So, there you have it. Mara sabihin niyo, hello.
Okay, I'm sorry. What did you ask me to do?
So,
This guy?
Ask him.
Ask him what?
Bring
Kuya.
Katie. Because we're going to the market.
Kuya, can you bring Katie down?
oh, what's that? Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Follow. It's
No,
follow.
that's down.
Down.
Down,
Can you bring
ah.
Katie down
Down.
Oh,
here?
down here. Okay, very good.
You hearing not good, ha?
My gosh.
Yes, we
Let's
want
go.
to LI. Soon.
What time
We
is
will
it?
go
It's
to
11:25.
Katie's so far.
Insensitive. Mali
USA.
naman.
In God's will,
What?
we will go to US.
Just woke up. You guys make my
Wow.
nose bleed. It's okay.
Yes.
Our
Me
noses
too.
are bleeding too, so
My
some-
nose and ears
Hi, Rogie.
and brain.
we're in this together. We're sama-sama tayo here. 19K viewers.
Oh my gosh, 19K viewers na sila. There.
How about you,
How about you, Mama
Dong?
Dong?
It's only 25,911.
Oh, I think that's 250.
Yeah, I know, it's 593.
Let's go na.
Yeah.
My brain is
Yeah.
empty.
From Hong Kong, hi. Thank you so much.
It's not functioning anymore. So I think, guys, we need to leave.
Soon. On September, hopefully, we will be in Singapore.
This one?
Ooh, I
Ay,
think
this
there's...
one. Can I get the croissant?
Yes,
Sure.
Inside the paper bag.
Still have one left.
Okay, let's bring the
I'll talk
croissants.
to you later. We will
Oh, someone is mad here.
We call Iwa na.
Iwa.
What?
There's
Call
Kuya.
Iwa.
Yes, call Iwa, please.
Oh my God, I ubos your coffee.
Ika lang ha. Medyo mainit.
You ubos
You
the coffee.
finish?
I finished your coffee.
Oh, that's okay.
That's very good.
It's good, right?
Yeah.
So, guys, we
Guys,
need to
we
leave.
need to go to the
So we
market.
have,
So,
Oop, oop. Whoa, you got sand.
Cheers po tayo.
cheers, table and chairs.
Oh my God! There's a Busher.
Cheers.
Ay, enjoy Basher, enjoy watching. I love you, Basher.
Yeah.
Where's the basher?
We love
I don't
Bashers.
know. I think that's your Busher.
Oh, it's a
Mark-
basher.
Mark Nash, thank you
Oh,
so
gosh.
much. Angelica nga.
Paki-block po
Hi.
ito, panira.
I'm not the... that's your Busher. I don't have Busher. Wow!
Hi, Gemma. With
Malamang
the
ikaw yung
fashion.
baliw. Who's that?
Me?
Malamang ikaw ang baliw. What's that mean?
Luisa Robert,
Like,
bring
is that like-
Chris
You are
back
crazy.
in Sacramento.
You are.
Who?
From USA, please bring Chris Lawrence back in Sacramento.
Who's that?
I
My
will-
God,
I will be
someone
in
is so mad
Sacramento.
here.
Oh, she will be in Sacramento.
July 11.
July 11.
July
Grabe
11.
ka,
July
baliw.
11, Chris Lawrence will be in
Can you speak
Sacramento.
English? So we
21,000.
Yeah.
Hey.
I don't know.
Guys,
Someone is so mad
thank you
back
so much.
here.
Who's mad?
Say
I
hi,
don't
Ate
know.
Kai.
There's
Hi.
so rude. Why? Me?
It's okay.
Am I
You're
rude?
swimming.
I don't think you're rude.
Oh.
I think there's... You know what? It's okay though, because you can't please everybody. And sometimes people are just gonna say something
Thank you so much,
like to make
Liga.
pansin, you know?
Ligayang.
And I think that's what they're
Hopefully,
doing.
I'll be in Singapore on September.
Las Vegas, man. Block. That's
Hi,
right,
Pastor
Michelle.
Jack.
Block.
I don't know how to block.
I don't block the bashers because the basher is very, very nice.
Yeah, because the basher will just make another fake account.
The basher will
The-
make what do you call that?
Dummy.
Dummy and then
Yeah, they'll just gonna make a dummy
yes.
account, a fake account. They'll bash and bash and
we will
bash
enjoy
okay.
the bashers.
until they die.
Yeah. They kill this love. Tan taran tanan tanan.
Yep.
Yes.
Oh my God,
You
Katie,
saw na yung
can you
ano?
say hi?
It's our
This
princess.
is Katie.
Hi, Ate Karel.
You need to speak English, anak. Say hi.
Hello.
Hello, everyone.
Mama. Hello, everyone. Mama.
Yep.
Sabay na ako sa inyo. Hindi na. Kay uncle na.
Okay, uncle na po.
Paano yung classmate ko? 12 nandito na.
You want us to hug your classmate?
Yes.
Hey, why do you have bubbles on your lip?
Dito lang kami, hanggang 12.
Oo, kasi di ba
Okay.
yung the classmate is doing hugging.
Okay, so that means
Okay.
30 more minutes of the English challenge.
Okay, Katie.
Tell uncle na sabay ako.
Kuya.
Yes. I'll ask Mommy Ken. Chris, do you have plan to go concert
You
in
tell.
Canada?
You tell.
Yes.
2026?
Kuya, you tell.
Yes. July 9?
Bring
July
Katie.
9.
Yes,
Mommy
Kuya.
Ken. July 9 he'll be in Canada.
English.
What am I doing?
Dito pa ako hanggang 12.
Don't let me
You want to stay here until 12?
say a lot. It's too much, Katie.
Hi. Katie?
Sure.
Yeah.
I love you.
I wanna...
I'm gonna take a video of your papa.
di ba I will go to... Di ba my classmate will hug Papa?
I will send it to you.
Do you want to be here when I hug? You're supposed to be here when I hug.
Ayaw niya.
Oh, you don't want to be here.
Sabi ni uncle, aalis na daw ako.
Oh, you go home.
You pick na mo.
I will take a video.
You pick na mo.
You pick na mo. Okay. Bye, anak. Okay, go.
Yes, Papa.
Yeah. Angelic
Thank you.
Thank you.
We're in Canada.
Salamat. Thank you.
June 26, I'll be in Victoria, BC.
Thank you.
June 26, Victoria, BC.
No.
And then July
We're going to
9
the
in
Palengke.
Lloydminster.
July 9 in Lloydminster. Mommy Ken.
That's
Wait lang, picture
right.
ko muna kayo bago siya umalis.
And
Tawag.
I will bring Katie's bomb.
Yeah, he will bring Katie's bomb then buy.
And by then, I think we'll have our official KKK merch.
Yes, we will have
Yeah.
a KKK merch. Hello, Josephine from Canada.
Mama, you
I'm gonna take a video. Smile.
you want to... Picture and video. You
Of
hug
course.
your mama lang and papa. You hug your mama and papa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So enjoy, guys.
1, 2.
Yes, we will.
Thank you.
Thank
I will
you.
end
Love you.
this
See you
live.
later.
Bye, Katie.
So I will not delete this Bye
Happy
bye.
team.
I have to go there na.
Go there.
Bye bye. You bye bye to my live.
With
You
the D.
bye-bye.
Bye, live.
Bye to my live. Okay. Thank you so much. Again, thank you so much, Catherine's Global.
Katie wants us to
KKK
stay
Worldwide
because
Party.
she wants us to
KKK family.
hug her classmates, to meet her
KKK
classmates.
family. At sa lahat
San
po ng
Francisco.
nagmamahal kay KKK. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. Bye-bye everyone.
So I'll be in
Love you.
Aruba,
Bye.
June 21. I'll be in Victoria, BC, June 26. San Francisco, June 27. Lloydminster, July 9. And then back to Sacramento on July 11. So kita-kits po tayo dyan. And I'll bring Katie's bomb. And I think by that time I will have
Bakit?
the official KKK
Let's
merch.
see,
So I'll bring it there. And we'll see each other there.
Bye-bye like that.
Picture ko yung ano yung...
Alam mo naman ang live. Yeah.
How do you send stars? That's good. I think there's a button on the screen that says send stars.
Wala dito.
It's in the pink
Mamaya,
bag.
nila yung video. Doon na
The
sa
pink
mga-
bag?
In the pink bag.
Where's the pink bag?
Ouch, my
CR lang. Okay,
legs.
ano?
Agay.
O, diba, pulikat?
Did you get pulikat again?
Ara.
Is that a cramp?
Ouch, ang sakit.
Manood ka na doon ngayon. Sa shout. Ay, nanonood ka.
What's up to Joy Miller, Hawaii? Shaka.
Nanonood ka na ba?
I'm low bat, guys.
Nanonood ka ngayon?
Uh-oh. You want more
Sige.
coffee?
No, my English is low bat.
I think coffee will help.
No?
Yep.
No, I don't like coffee.
Hindi
I
ka
will,
makalive.
my heart will palpitate.
You hide on Ate Karel